Today we're going to get rid of this chrome with this blackout overlay kit. We've been deleting the chrome off this truck for a couple years, and today we're going to finish the last step by adding this blackout kit over the letters. Let's get started. In order to ensure most success, you're going to use some alcohol, a microfiber towel, and just clean off the original badging. This will make it easier for everything to stick and ensure a good application. The kit we're using brings 2 Toyota logos, the 4Runner word, and 2 SR5 logos. Each part has some 3M tape on the back with some very useful tabs to remove that. Since we've already cleaned this off and it's dry, you can begin by pulling this off and then placing it right on top. As you're putting on the letters, be careful not to scramble them up because the U and the N look very close alike, but they are different. Once you've finished applying all the letters, give it a good wipe down and press it in just for extra security. If you're doing this over the winter, it's useful to have a heat gun handy, but we're doing ours in the middle of the summer, so no additional heat is needed. The heat does help for them to adhere faster and stronger. All right, there you have it. Now that our badge overlays are complete, our chrome delete is done. Thanks for watching.